Surpassing established gender norms in the STEM field, Meg Bednarcik runs a computer science department here at BHS. Inspiring girls to get involved in this traditionally male-dominated field, she is the head of the club Ladies of Code. After graduating college, Bednarcik got a job as a technology consultant, but realized there was a need for more women in STEM fields.
So I majored in computer science in college, and after school I went to become a technology consultant. And I worked there for maybe 8 months, and I realized there was a huge need for women in the field. So because of that, I decided to go into teaching and hopefully get more girls involved in computer science.
As the only teacher in her department, Bednarcik teaches a wide variety of classes ranging from introductory computer science to advanced classes such as AP Java. Bednarcik has also had a positive influence on the few girls in her class who started their own club called Ladies of Code this year.
Ms. Bednarcik talked to us about Technovation and what it was. I learned about it last year, and she explained to me the amazing things about it and how it empowers women in technology fields and coding. And then we came together and then created Ladies of Code.
We wanted to be a part of something that would help other girls get more into code, because it's mostly a male-dominated field, and we want to change that.
The goal of the club, since it is all girl, is to get more girls involved in computer science and in these entrepreneurial activities, to teach them what they need to know in order to create a startup one day or develop an app. So yeah, definitely to get more girls excited and involved in this field.
I feel really lucky that we have Miss B, because she's a female leader and teacher in the computer science field, and has taught us so many things and opened our eyes to Technovation and how to create Ladies of Code.
Recently, the Ladies of Code competed at the Massachusetts Technovation Challenge at Wentworth Institute of Technology in Boston. The girls developed an app which they named PoLit that is intended to educate high school students on political happenings throughout the U.S.
So their app went along with education and equality, and they created an app to educate high schoolers on politics because they felt very overwhelmed by the current political season, so they created an app to help solve that problem.
The goal was to see how we can create a better environment in our school, when speaking about politics, and also how to educate the kids. And that goal changes from year to year, which is also really nice.
Bednarcik has certainly worked hard to shape her department at Burlington High School. She has become a role model for many of her female students as she understands the importance of involving girls in computer science.
I think it's really important because computer science is extremely stigmatized, and people generally think of the computer science as an older man who's a little bit socially awkward, but that's not what a computer scientist is anymore, and it never really was. It's just how it was stigmatized. It's really important to have people from all perspectives. Computer science is a lot about creativity, and if you're going to design a website for maybe an all-girls clothing store, you don't want a bunch of men working on it. You want people who would actually buy the product. So it's important for people of both genders and of all backgrounds to be computer scientists, to be able to build all of these different technologies and tools for various companies in order to achieve all different goals.